𝗀𝗏𝗃 comment on the YouTube channel about discussing or talking about the range decision. What they're referring to is that there was a case in Range versus the Attorney General where Brian Range filed an action to get his gun rights restored. So basically there's a federal law that permanently bans nonviolent felons from possessing firearms, but that was declared unconstitutional. This is a difficult explanation because it does look like in some of the federal circuits you could file a federal action basically challenging whether or not your disability that you can't have a firearm should be overturned or that your rights should be restored. And so it is true that Brian Range's suspension or disability from having guns was overturned. However, part of the complication is the fact that there is a federal disability that needs to be satisfied, and there's also a Pennsylvania disability. The federal law does not automatically apply to Pennsylvania's law, so there is a section under Pennsylvania's law, under 186105D, where a person can petition the court in a court of common pleas to prove that they should have their firearm rights restored. We can do another video about that, but basically my hesitation in all of this is thinking about the state police and how they act. If you have your firearm rights restored in a state action in a court of common pleas, the statute does say that the state police will be notified, and so it's not an expungement, it's not a pardon given by the governor, but supposedly it would have a court order on your case saying that your firearm rights are restored.